Dumela sanibonani abusheni, it's your boy Mshuku Mr. Mfana Kamgomesi will never die by mistake. And yebo, we are still tuned into Isoweto FM Bafethu. It is 26 minutes after 7 and angihambing you one njengoba nizwile bathi siphethe special guest Kitweri Max 11, the hottest MC in the South. Awuthami ngicela introduce.
Hey, what's up, good people? It's the one and only, but Kapanala Sui, Abangazi, Max 11 the MC, but to 10 to 1 call the cops to Punjab Pet, 11 days in a week, Namagazi. What's the one?
Yes, so I face anything petty, the hottest MC called Lalane Soweto. Awuthami ngicela okay, abaningi bacaba uMax. Sicela ke ile ID uma ngathi ngifuna manje emaphoyiseni ngokuthola kodwa bese.
Igama lami lasa ID bafethu, I go by the name of Lehlohonolo Siwe.
Sure. Okay, Lehlohonolo face uvela kuphi awuthami Lehlohonolo?
Lehlohonolo Siwe is a boy from the township called Umletsane.
Sure.
Bafethu.
Njami i-upbringing yakho ukhule kanjani emzini nali diski anything nje interesting ongitshela.
Okay, mina ukutshela eVar ne ngikhule ngentwana ethanda idiski ukuqala.
Yeah.
Mina mangicala idiski ngibiza ngoManyisa.
Sure.
Ngithola igama lami uManyisa ngalithola bangitshela story sakaManyisa. Ngasithola abona remember the time uManyisa sokora ama 2 goals against Itumeleng Khune and Wayne Sandilands.
Yeah.
I did the same thing a week after that. Ngithola but mina ngashaya 3 goals. Then I got the name Manyisa. Then I was a superstar just like the way I am right now.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ayakuzwa awuthami. So wena kahle ediskini umnandi emculo enhle everywhere muso wena awuthami.
Ngimnandi kakhulu awuthami. That's why I wanna nale the number 11.
Sure.
Obviously originally comes from the jersey number that I was wearing Mandlali
Ball. Yeah. Or hence ku Max 11.
Yes.
Abanye banokuthi 101 nginoqalela phela isitori.
Dina kabileyo.
Ektina
kabi.
yibo labo masashalazi.
Number 101
11
FC.
So awuthami into ongakutshela wena ngimletsane yini into ebimnandi le kasilakho nje imletsane.
Into ekaslami nje akusinto ebhaya yabo ikasi elifana namanye amakasi. Angithola into ebemnandi ngekaslami ukuthi nje abantwana ababhaya basekhaslami mawungachecka nongaya ekhaslami lo I believe I'm the only boy ekhaslami ukuthi uhamba ngendlela ecorrect.
Sure.
Angithola ngoba vele ngahamba isigela ngasiqeda isigela ngayivasithi kwenzakala izinto angithola.
Yeah.
Mara vele mina from le Fantuka I've been always famous. The Roma Jaiva, I'm sure you know.
Obvious.
I was the king of J-Park, king of Bang Atwalata, you can name them, all of them.
So lento le kahle dali khona. So into engifuna ukuyicaba, when did you notice ukuthi ayezini manje ngifuna ukuba i-MC ngathi lento le mic ngiyiphethe.
Ngani wami yabona mangiceda i-matric ne aceda i-matric 2019 angithola bese 2020 ngathi decide ukuthatha i-gap year.
Yeah.
Angithola bese mangithatha i-gap year benginalento engiyenzayo. So uyazi masingamajita silokuhleli sonke benginomngane wami we-1 umuntu ongifake kule game uqala we-1.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi khona abamaziyo uNjomani 707.
Sure.
Sure. That was the biggest vocalist and the biggest MC eclass lami like around Soweto before me. So besinokuthi sihambe ema-studio session explore naye simamele asifundise izinto ezinjalo yabo. Wathi wangitshela ukuthi umntwana yami awuzame la sibone ukuthi ungayenzani. Ngayizama ngabona nami ukuthi ngine potential then I can go far with this thing.
Sure.
Ngaqala ngayipusha like sayipusha as a crew.
Yeah.
Manje uyazi mase kufika endabeni zemali manje
uzayenza la.
Ayishashalaza
Yeah.
Bese amajita waseparate ngasala ngiyi-1 then I decided to push this thing for myself till where I am right now.
No. Ngiyakuza awuthami awusinje sisi nje ukuza music kancane. As you know, we are still tuned into Isoweto FM Bafethu. This is Monati Chillers. Sisachile kahle no Max. Sisazoyixoxa kahle. Awuthi ngidlalele something nizomanyakuzini something.
My name is Kay with Felezi. Before we get straight into business, I'd like to put it out there that Soweto FM is in partnership with Zagala Boss TV, and I think that deserves a huge round of applause.
We are back Bafethu. This is 31 minutes after 7. Nisahleli lana no Max. If you wanna catch us ku WhatsApp or ufuna ukufona, my number is 072-247-8983. Awuthi ngikuphendela mawungazwanga it's 072-247-8983. This is Isoweto FM. Siphethe uMax 11. So Max, awuthami ngiyezwa ukuthi uNjomani angithola ukufakile out yakho kumnandi. So would you say now are you like better than uNjomani or kuyenzakalani?
Yeah, I believe now I'm the biggest MC in Soweto right now. That one I won't lie.
Sure.
uNjomani mnandi yabona, but according to the way izinto zimhambele ngakhona, badecided ukuthi yena uzohenga amabhooth outside yabo. I can say okwamanje uvele wamnika ibhandi lakhe. So ngisaliphethe ibhandi lakhe. Ngiphethe kahle, ngiphethe ngohlelo enale indawo. Ngisazohlala, kusazoshaya isipani.
Sure.
Expect something huge from me.
Yeah. No, ngiyakuzwa outside and lapha I've been seeing you getting a lot of, they working on ngakhona ngathi u DJ outside masingakhuluma. Ngasi like angazi ngapha we MC, like how do you manage like all the gigs, the pressure and so izinto ezibhali ezenzakalayo?
Yona inzima outside ngiyitshela manga, but at some point also umuntu as an artist you need to have proper management. You understand? You need to have proper marketing. So obviously ngeke wenze yonke into uyi-one because manje uzofuna ukuthatha amagigi uyi-one uzikhulumele khona bazokushayashaya kokuqala bese obviously indaba zama-time slot awukhona ukuzenza because like you have a lot in your mind, yangizwa. So mina into engizifundise yona, I'm one person who's punctual. Ngithanda ukuhamba ngesikhathi. So if ngiyazitshela ukuthi my first gig is gonna be from this time, my last gig is gonna be this time, I'll make sure ukuthi I get to my first gig at this time.
Sure.
So that ungakhona ukuthi manje indaba zakho zama-climb slot clash nani izinto ezinjalo.
No, it makes sense. So have you ever like encountered lezo inkinga mawufika egigini bekumele ungene sekumele manje ngoba indaba zokuthi kumele uthole into yakho uyazibona lezo zinto?
Yeah, it happens a lot of times. Especially last year since vele angithola.
Sure.
Ngoba sonke siyazi, I believe artists can attest to that ukuthi mawe artist uzofika endaweni isikhathi sakho sokungena. Obviously, let me make an example. Kungena wena manje. Makufike obviously a bigger artist than you.
Sure.
Befanele ukuthi angene before wena manje ufike late. Oba wena awukho bigger than like that. Obviously bazofaka yena wena bese eqheleni. Ufike egigini fanele bakunike izinto zakho bazokutshela inkinga ukuthi hey yasenzanga mali, hey yasenzanga ama rider nani. At some point I believe ukuthi khona abakhuluma ivalo khona abashashaya.
Sure.
So yeah, that's what we're facing as artists.
So would you say like SOweto or maybe Kasi event organizers do they need to like push more like professionalism?
They need to do better.
Yeah.
Because like not all of them understand, but obviously abantu abahostayo baphaya.
Sure.
So some event promoters, event organizers, they need to manage themselves correctly.
Sure.
Bayenze izinto ngohlelo ukuthi nathi sikhona ukuthi masifike endaweni sishaya isipani ngoba angizelanga ukuhlala. Ngathola ukuthi nginamagigi ayithengela noliwani ngeke ngifike eventini yakho ngizohlala because I also have somewhere to be. Khona event organizer ayidingayo futhi.
Sure.
So I think they need to do better.
Okay, so with all of this engizwayo, which gigs do you prefer? Ngoba ngiyakwazi ukugigi kasi kuphela. Ngiyakubona emalini, ngiyakubona emasentini, escape, you everywhere. So would you say where would you rather gig? Is it Kasi or Ngada?
I would rather gig Ngada, but I wouldn't exclude Kasi because also ilapho engikhulele khona.
Sure.
You understand? Ilapho lapho ngiqale khona yonke into engiyaziyo manje ngekasi.
Sure.
So I wouldn't say manje ngoba eKasi bangifundise lokhu bese manje ngiyaba exclude abafuna ukubhuka bese ngibhukhiwa le abangazi khona because also you're gonna struggle. You need to understand something. Lapha emasantini some of the morals that we do abawazi. So mawufika le you need to be strategic.
Exactly.
You understand? Fanele wazi ukuthi awu MC kuphela lapha ngoba also kunama big ballers kunabantu abasona so MC eKasi ngashaya iwine inalala emakhaya like 10 zophendula.
Sure.
But probably at something you can't do that. You need to be versatile. You need to strategize ubone ukuthi okay la ngizothi so kubuye ngithi kubuye relax.
Sure. Hence ngizwa kule question nge ifana noluphi Ingada or Ingayikasi?
The fun is this side.
Definitely.
But
South Africa kumnandi manje Soweto kuwest.
I saw it kuwest.
No.
If I was izo ungitshele ngepotshi sandini.
Yeah.
Ungitshele ngawonke ama-events ngasixhova ngisho iSoweto shutdown.
Sure.
All Black List started from last year.
Sure.
Soweto shutdown so we could cry.
Yeah.
I was the MC bekwenzakaleni. You are flex. Ngitshele nge-All Black asezom 6 amanje leya last year.
No.
Yeah. ufike late futhi bangichika lo ungichika bongangichika mara ufike late kwavele kwayenzakala inyakanyaka.
Sure.
I understand.
Yeah.
Njengomnikazi wepati, umnikazi wale ngoma leyo
unyakazini
wayenzakala inyakanyaka. You understand?
Sure.
Something obviously. Also nasi something akungeni noma ubani.
Sure.
You understand? Because I've encountered many problems mangisebenza ngala. Uthola ukuthi ngihamba nama-outward la ngijwayele ukuhamba nabo.
Yeah.
Masifika lapha obviously they short. Balingana nami.
Restriction.
But
Yeah.
obviously ofika lapha bazokubuza uzospenda 10,000 or more. So obviously I've encountered problems ukuthi if manje I must request my boys back home ngisale ngiyi-one because
Sure.
I respect work. Financial. Now they need to understand ukuthi I'm here to work.
Exactly.
You understand? So
Yeah, this goes back to the topic bebayikhuluma lana ngezwa bathi broke rich lempilo kuyabuya manje kuyabuya. So i-question before ngizokudlalela inyakazini lokukhuluma ngayo njengoba uloku ugiga awuthami which is like your best DJ okekaba uset nayo like uloku ya MC uloku kulahlela nga something.
there's only one person.
Ayingathi
There's
nyama
only one person. Okay, khona abanye.
Yeah.
Khona abanye.
Sure.
Like mina most of the time I always mina into leyo ukuthi nginenhlanhla ukuthi mawufika ekicking
Yeah.
dlala ukuthi lo ngifuna ukudlala naye. You understand?
Yeah.
Just like the likes of M-Canali,
Sure.
Big Buddies,
Sure.
Tribe Soul, Talks, Farafika, Nsako XVI.
Sure.
Now you can name them. That umuntu ongizokutshela lo yiwani. Vivo, Scova RC,
Awazi. Bathi president yama-2K.
akhohlwa.
No, yona vele make sense njengoba usathi isixo vivo nisezwa bathi nginomaxi usixova kile nyakanyaka awusingukudlalela umsakho XVI nosixova bakhe i-NYK 15 ishu awazi chinas.
My name is Kay Buthelezi. Before we get straight into business, I'd like to put it out there that Soweto FM is in partnership with Zagala Boss TV, and I think that deserves a huge round of applause.
Sesibuyile bafethu, as you can see it's 44 minutes after 07 ngisaplome no Max 11 ngiyezwa benizwela inyakazini laphayana bathi uNtsako XVI noSqo Vivi bakhe NYK 15 niyazi bafethu if you wanna call, if you wanna say something, if ufuna ukubuza uMax boma what bathi wena bamalana 072 247 8983 uzwa futhi bathi 072 247-8983. This is Soweto FM Lemonati Chillers. Sisaplomile. Max awuthiyami.
Asho.
Ngiyakuzwa siloku sikhuluma ngenkinga bayakuhlupha ini. So into engifuna ukuyazi how do you manage? Okay, ngoba manje kuno Max 11 unohlonolo.
Yes.
So
Definitely.
ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi how do you manage that ukuthi no isikhathi saka Max no isikhathi saka Hlono phela no you have a personal life ekulibheke then you have your MC life, your entertainment and stuff. So yeah, ngifuna nje sigcwele la ukuthi
Okay, Shafil. I'm one person who is abantu abayazi into engiyenzayo on a daily basis, like let me say during the week.
sure.
I'm sorry.
Sure.
So mina ulhlohonolo
Yeah.
on the other side, Monday to Friday,
Sure.
8 to 4.
Yeah.
That's 7.
Sure.
I'm sorry. So uMax 11 uzombona nge-weekend. I'm sorry.
Sure.
Ungangitsheli normally mina mange emsebenzini I don't normally take gigs. During the week I don't normally take gigs.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Because also that's gonna clash with my work. Like last day bengenza kanjani. I didn't take gigs like during the I only took gigs only in the weekend.
Okay.
That's Max 11 in the weekend with Hlogonolo during the week.
Sure.
But now I've decided to see sengimdala manje.
Sure.
I understand, and I need to have respect. I need to manage time
Sure.
and whatsoever. So I've decided to take gigs during the week.
Sure.
Also, umuntu ofana nami ngiyasithandela utshwala yabo.
Yeah,
Inkinga
yeah.
yami, I understand.
Obvious.
But mawuzogida during the week, also knowing very well ukuthi kusasa uye emsebenzini. Otherwise mafika egigini ungaphuzi.
Yeah.
Tsara drink water or drink uphuze idash Oh, if ufuna ukuphuza sha 1 or 2 classes
Sure.
bese u-detox shaya isipani bese uhambe lolala uyazi ukuthi ekuseni uzovuka ugrand unganabhabhalasi
Yeah.
uye emsebenzini bese mayifika ku-weekend hayi ketela abasana
Hawu.
ketela abasana senza kuphela
Ya, sisakhuluma ngale ndaba le. Ufuna ukungena kule ndaba yama-rider. Ufuna le ndaba yama-rider. Ufuna ukungena kule ndaba. So I want to know, okay, thing is ngiyaqala no mina ngizothi ngi-MC ngithola nyazama nami ngihlukumisa twat. Uthola first gig. Kwamele ngi-expect i-rider. Lento e-rider ispana kanjani? Ngoba I want to know if is it about like sponsor sakho uyachaviwa in like awona indaba ye-rider ngoba negama i-rider hey rider
engizomhlekisa yazi le ndaba le bengikhuluma ngayo nomngani wami today
Sure.
umngani wami wangitshela ukuthi le ndaba le ye-rider fanele ikhanseliwe. You understand? So but people don't understand indaba ye-rider. Okay, as ushilo ukuthi mawuqala as an artist, obviously people don't know you, they don't know your work, they don't know what you do basically. You understand? So you can't expect to be paid such a big amount. Ubhadalwe probably uzothi kimi ufuna 2,000 azikwazi uqala. You understand? And also expect like it's like probably like a free promotion for you.
Pressure.
Because uzoqala ukuthi uzakustopa upcoming artist khancala asiwazi awazi wa MC or wa performer or DJ somewhere uzakustopa ukuthi baqala ngicela ungifake. I want to showcase my talent. Obvious showcasing your talent at its Tovas event uzothola ukuthi obvious that's where people will start knowing you. So obvious you can't expect ukuthi bazokunika something yabona izinto ezinjalo. Just be there uzihambele uzibuyise wena mawufika lapha shaya isipana ungabuzi ukuthi rider yami ikuphi imali yami ikuphi ngoba uzithelele ngokuqala ngithi wafika ushaya isipani. If people like your work they'll come back to you. That's why they say ukuthi patience is virtue. You understand? So be patient, just put in more work. They say abantu bazokurecognize.
Sure.
You understand? Also people that think abantu abangayazi abangayi-understand in-rider it's also part of the package the artist. It's called a complimentary hospitality ride.
Sure.
You understand? As bengishilo uzofuna ngize epatini yakho my set is only 20 minutes ngidlale 20 minutes bese ukuthi ahamba ngicela ihlala. You understand?
Sure.
Not ukuthi angikhona ukuthenga utshwala. But because of it's part of what my package is. So obviously ukuhlonipha kwakho kimi cela unginike lento lezivumelene ngayo. Injalo.
Sure. So hayi ngiyazwela abamameli indaba zama-rider if upcoming la yena la ku-FM mfana if you producer ini qinisisana mfana before uza kithi nabo siqova ngithola uthi sifuna i-rider. And then there's this thing vele abayenza I don't know if vele bayenza kuma-upcoming phela ngoba i-payment sebayibeka as a-rider kule ntwana lezi like instead yokuthi ngikhafe imoto yakho I'm sure that's why ngipitsha khasekuseni le ndaba ye-rider wamele iphela ngoba ngathi sebayithatha as a payment.
Khona abanye bababhadala ngama-rider vele counted that a lot. Umuntu ufike epatini yakhe akutshele ukuthi amacala nginamali or angitshele efonini amacala ngiyabhaliseka ngicela ukukunika ihenesi uzongidlalela.
Sure.
Injalo they take it as payment.
Sure. Ngathi disadvantage man.
It's a disadvantage because also as someone like me uthola ukuthi uhosta probably let's say Ramfontein, Kruger Stop. You understand? Ngicabanga ukuthi ngizofika kanjani uqala. You understand? You need to understand the constraints and also ukuthi the disadvantages ukuthi mina ngizofika kanjani ekhipini ngizobuyela kanjani ekhaya. If awufuna ukubhadala mina ngizela ukushaya isipani. But I'm talking about someone who's there already, like who's also bamaziyo. If you're an upcoming fanele uziphushe straight khipha imali yakho. Mawulambile wena ufuna ukwenza yonke into oyifunayo fanele uzikhiphele
uzenzele.
Sidlile imali ethu ekhaya bebathi uyahamba uyosebenza mawubuya awuna next. I've encountered that a lot. Ngithi ngibafuna nokuthi ngiye by MC ayibhadala uma grazer ayibhadala yabo mara mina umuntu obeka ngiphethe kule cycling industry
Mawulidi.
Mawulidi has been pushing me. Ngithola ngitshela ukuthi boy ngiyabona ama-video wakho shaya isipani abantu bayakuthanda keep pushing uzofika la ufuna ukuya khona always pray. Understand? Ushaya isipani uphume entweni ungalokhu ukhuluma kakhulu ngoba ishasha la lizokukhawa.
Lele mina
Khawati shashalala.
I know ngiyakuzwa mfana so what I wanna know who's your inspo like makuza kule sponsor sakho mfana ngoba amajita maningi mara inspo yakho like ohleli phansi maybe busy ngefone time akale
uyiwale ngisazo sho futhi ingane nami iyathanda ungiphisa nayo uzibiza kubani konze khona le ivile yakhe ngikana yibona utheni lo muntu lo ngisafuna ukuyicabanga utheni isidudla sekhaladi mara esikhuluma isiZulu Namazi bani anikhulizi
khuluma ngengwenya
anikhulizi that's someone low like since ngiqala mina
sure
yabona ukuthi okay let me look at ubuya like nabantu bazisha umuntu that is already there before aqala nokurecorda ama
ingoma
being an MC for real
sure
then logo ngibheka ankhulu every day bayangazi nje TikTok so ankhulu ayikho imona le ankhulu engayazi ayikho ayikho bayangazi
so enhle ngitshela ukuthi mawungamano amkhulu no uzokuyenzakalani share stage or have you ever like been encountered like somewhere
I've probably been on stage with Uncool probably like I think 4 or 5 times.
Sure.
Yeah. And the biggest one was at Stoppers Online Show.
Sure.
Yeah. But I was playing, then he was playing after me.
Yeah.
And obviously I'm a mic boy too, but I play to him.
Yeah.
So Mangatin Yoshala Bang Uncool is coming, is about to get on stage. Mangatin Yoshala Pans and Ashana and I stage.
Sure.
At time next in Tonaham,
yeah.
Yeah. I'm me by one
sure.
Understand? They say I move on stage.
Yeah.
I feel I won't take any short asami pesbabo. I was
yes. Shooting before you zone 6 vala ni shut it down.
I evaluate.
Ufuna ukuzwa ama-trend walo kakhala lapha this is nyaga show nyaga season ngihlaba ngamanyaka ngiphethe umaleve.
Awazi manje sakhona MC la ingoma mayikangeni
awuzobazwisa kwamele ubazwise ukuthi vele udume ngana ngisi ubazwise kancane khona bakwazi khona bangakwazi awuthi sipadleni nyaksi
awunikele into la.
My name is Kay Buthelezi. Before we get straight into business, I'd like to put it out there that Soweto FM is in partnership with Zagala Boss TV, and I think that deserves a huge round of applause.
Say that it's yeah, woman. Say that ajela mina bamona seba zo boma hey seba makuchiza baya bona hey uya force umanya costa bati kutumile kana bono jela mina ranga khulu kana bo yo la maduzu ngesithi zokoma hey uyangstana azompopa hey uzokana uzomdonsa ma yama bona ma hey seba tadi bro hey papet maxima hey ayushungu ma hey Soweto ma hey umtanabi ma okataji ma hey gali zaza ma Kila Koko tedaka sadeka duka Eka se kafaka duka Chela mini chomi ya mine Oza wana mani chomi ya mine Oza Ajomi ya mine mubede Hina jabo Oza wana mani Chela mina ngoti
yashisa lana kule studio exclusive hey umuntu wona ngathi manje ngagibela phezulu kwamatafula apana awula ngibona sekhiphile once hayi mbala la ngiyazana sekhiphile once no bafethu as you can see sisasekhona this is 58 minutes after 7 and this is oyivala manje ngasidala this is Zwakala Boss TV ne Soweto FM ningakhohlwa kena ukuthi next week Wednesday lento lena esizokuyenza la you can go watch it on YouTube khona eZwakala TV. Ningakhohlwa subscribe la Zwakala TV, commenta uyenze konke. Silana eSoweto FM ngisaphethe uMax Imunati Chillers every Fridays. Sisazomthola nami next week ngibuya nomuntu. Ningabaleki ngiphethe mina imshuku. Max awusiyazi. Ngiyabonga mthamo.
Mnandi awuthanda.
No, ngiyabonga mthamo.
Anytime.
Ya manje siyahamba sokuphuza.
Ngalo ngibaleka nje.
Siyahamba sokuphuza. Baleya Imunati Chillers ishu.
My name is Kay Buthelezi. Before we get straight into business, I'd like to put it out there that Soweto FM is in partnership with Zwakala TV, and I think that deserves a huge round of applause.